Welcome to Fundamental Analysis Basics. This session focuses on understanding the factors that determine an asset's intrinsic value, such as economic indicators, company performance, and global events. Fundamental analysis helps traders and investors make informed, long-term decisions by looking beyond price charts. By the end of this session, you'll know how to use key tools and concepts to analyze markets effectively. Section 1. Key economic indicators. Interest rates. Central banks set interest rates, influencing borrowing costs and economic activity. Higher interest rates typically strengthen a currency, but may slow economic growth. Inflation measures the rise in prices over time. Moderate inflation signals healthy growth, while high inflation can erode purchasing power. Gross domestic product represents the total value of goods and services in an economy. A growing GDP often signals a strong economy, boosting investor confidence. Employment data. High employment levels indicate economic stability and consumer spending potential. Example, a sharp rise in job creation is often bullish for equities. Section 2. Company-specific fundamentals. Earnings reports. Companies report revenue, profit, and future guidance quarterly or annually. Example, if earnings exceed expectations, the stock price often rises. Debt and valuation ratios. Metrics like the debt-to-equity ratio show how much debt a company holds relative to its equity. The price-to-earnings ratio indicates whether a stock is overvalued or undervalued. Dividends. Companies that consistently pay dividends are often seen as stable and reliable investments. Industry trends. Analyze the company's sector and how it's performing compared to the broader market. Section 3. Global and macroeconomic factors. Geopolitical events. Events like wars, trade disputes, or elections can cause market volatility. Example, Brexit caused major fluctuations in the value of the British pound. Supply and demand. Commodities like oil or gold are heavily influenced by global supply and demand dynamics. Government policies, tax cuts, subsidies, or trade tariffs can directly impact specific industries or markets. Section 4. Tools and resources for fundamental analysis. Economic calendars. Websites like investing.com or Forex Factory list upcoming economic events. Company reports. Platforms like Yahoo Finance or Bloomberg provide detailed financial statements and analysis. News aggregators. Tools like Google News or Reuters keep you updated on market-moving headlines. Analyst ratings. Read expert insights to understand broader market sentiment. Conclusion and practice. To summarize, fundamental analysis focuses on the underlying factors that influence asset value, such as economic indicators, company performance, and global events. Use resources like economic calendars, financial statements, and news aggregators to stay informed. Practice exercise. Pick a stock, currency pair, or commodity. Analyze its key economic indicators, company fundamentals, and recent news.